Hey everyone, Zero635 here, and here's an update with the Kids of America singing Valentine Lion. So far, a lot has already had to go into it. One of the things I did was this right here. This was actually broken, and I actually couldn't even find the other half of it, so I had to kind of rig it in a way. So this lever piece doesn't just come right off. There's actually like a metal wire that runs through here, tied it, and soldered to itself, and actually applied some glue so it doesn't get caught. There was that. Mouth has been repaired. Uh, Mouth lower plate has been glued into place, but the top plate I can't do that, so I'm just gonna try and fill it up with some stuffing, and hopefully it should be fine. Relay was being an issue. This relay right here, put some foam and cleaned it, so now it's good as new. So something that I was kind of concerned about was that so these kind of animatronics, there's always usually supposed to be a fabric skin, not this skin, a different skin that protects it, because if you notice, there's a lot of spinning parts inside, and what happens with cotton when all this stuff gets into there? It literally will just jam itself and possibly kill itself in the process, because whenever electronics cannot move, their components just get warm or overheat and so forth. Then, it just causes the component to die. So I made a new one. Hopefully it fits like it should. If not, I can just always fold it, because my goal is to at least cover up most of the mechanism for it, and gotta hot glue it and all that stuff. So a lot is going into it so far, but it's coming out nicely. Oh yeah, new motor, not really new motor, original motor's in place. There's a new gear on it. Wires, I extended the wires, heat shrink tube them, glued them in here, and I was like more wire slack. So yeah, this thing is coming along nicely.
And you know Kevin, he puts everything he can into his repairs.
Yes, I
Works
make
hard on them.
everything. As I always tell everyone, I make it worth the money. The amount I charge to fix these, I make sure and make it worth it. Yeah. Anyways, stay tuned for more. All you gotta do is just hopefully get this slipped over, glue all that, and then put some stuffing. The fun part is gonna be stitching it. I am terrible at stitching. I managed to stitch both lions up, I think, and they turned out pretty alright. It's just my issue is once you're done with the stitching, you have to tie it. And I somehow, whenever I make the knots, I just cannot get the knots to stay like they need to. So that's gonna be fun. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.